and welcome to Crypto Coders. This is the third lecture of our C++ tutorial series. In this video, we will learn to make our program interactive by taking user input in our program. So let's start by making a new file t3.cpp. I'll write the basic structure like always. Stream using namespace std int main, and here we have our basic structure. So first I'll write a few comments. Cout, as we know, is used to display something. Cout is used to display output to the user, and in this program we will be using cin. Cin is used to take input from the user. So let's declare an integer variable in num and use cin for the first time. We will write cin, and this time we will be using stream insertion operators, which is the opposite of stream extraction operators, two greater than signs here, and our variable name num. Now if we run our program, we'll see nothing happens here. It is actually waiting for our user input. If we enter 10 here, for example, and press enter, nothing happens. This is because we haven't displayed it actually. So if we write cout num and display our variable, and again it is waiting for our user input 10, and it displays 10 here. It is actually saving the user input in our variable num and then displaying the variable. Now if we write it with a proper format, because this here doesn't show anything, it doesn't explain the user what it is actually asking. So let's write it in a proper format with messages. So we will write cout enter a number and semicolon, and then cin take input, store it in num. Then again we will write u and dered, you entered num. Now let's run this. It says, it asks the user to enter a number. If we type in 15, for example, you entered 15. So this was quite simple. Now let's try and take two numbers from the user and display the sum of those numbers. This time in num1 and num2. Then we will ask the user to enter two numbers. Enter the first number and cin num1. Let's just copy this again. Copy and paste. Enter the second number, and here num2. Then we will display the sum. Sum of two numbers is display num1 plus num2, and then this is not necessary, but you can write it. Why is it showing an error? Num2. Let's run it. Holy shit. Oh, it's supposed to be endl. So enter the first number 15, second number 20, for example, and it gives us the sum of two numbers. So this was actually quite easy. Let's use the code that we wrote in our previous video and take these values as user input. So let's copy it. I paste it here. remove the initial values that we gave. We'll take these from the user. So now cout, enter your name, scene name, take the name from the user, then cout, copy this, paste here, enter your age, enter your grade, and now enter your attendance. I'll just correct the spellings. I guess I wrote them wrong in the previous video. Now if we display this whole line, copy and paste it here, DANC, and run this program. Wait a minute, let me just comment the first part out so it doesn't, this part here, we don't want this right now to run this. So if we run this, it asks for our name. We'll write crypto coders, enter our age 25 for example, our grade B, attendance is whatever 40.7, and it displays here my name is crypto coders, my age is 25, I got a B grade in programming, and my attendance was 45.7%. Now I would like to show you a problem that we have with our string inputs. Let's comment this out again, and I've actually written a code to show you the problem that we face sometimes. Copy and paste it here. So in this example, we are taking full name as string, course as string, and year as string, and then we are taking user input from the user to enter a full name, course, and year, and then we are just displaying everything. So if we run this, it asks for our full name. If we write crypto coders, if you see, it doesn't even ask us to enter the course, it goes directly to the year. Let's write 2020, and if you say see here, it displays your name is crypto, you are studying coders, and you are in the year 2020. So this actually happens when we use cin to take our string input, and there is a space between the strings. So it is better to use another command, that is get line cin and then our variable name, full name. We'll use this here as well. We'll just change the variable name, course, and year. Don't forget to add the semicolons at the end. Now if we run this and enter our full name, crypto coders, it will ask for a course, programming, and enter the year 2020, and your name is crypto coders, you are studying programming, and you are in the year 2020. So this was it for today. If you liked the video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.